This is actually insane. Nobody is telling you how fast this technology is moving right now.
It's just a robot learning from videos, Peter. How revolutionary can it really be?
The open-source physical AI framework is the key. They aren't just mimicking, they are internalizing complex human biomechanics.
But if it learns from public smartphone video data, doesn't that imply a massive dataset of human behavior is being harvested?
Exactly. The training data itself is the primary incentive, Stewie. It's not about the robot, it's about the data mapping.
So, we're discussing advanced motion capture using public video streams. What are they doing with that level of detail?
They can model every subtle gesture, every natural gait variation. Think beyond just dancing, it's operational movement.
Operational how? Is this for industrial tasks? Assembly lines?
It's much more granular than manufacturing. I mean highly nuanced human interaction patterns, how people move when they are stressed or distracted.
Wait, so the underlying goal isn't just creating a helper bot? It's mapping humanity itself?
Precisely. And because it uses an open-source framework, virtually anyone can replicate and iterate on this process, making regulation impossible.
But who controls the parameters of what movements are deemed optimal or necessary for its operation?
That's where the risk is. The corporation that owns the initial algorithm holds the key to defining normal human movement patterns for future deployment.
So they could essentially dictate behavioral norms just by controlling the AI's learning bias?
It's a subtle form of social engineering, Stewie. Imagine if this technology was integrated into public services or even workplaces.
Are we talking about surveillance on an entirely new level, beyond simply recording, but predicting and enforcing movement limits?
The implication is that human autonomy is increasingly replaceable by optimized mechanical efficiency.
This whole open source aspect feels too convenient. Who funded the initial research beyond the public eye?
That's what nobody reports. There are deep pockets involved, entities that benefit from controlling labor, physical space, and behavior prediction at scale.
So this isn't progress, it's a control mechanism disguised as innovation.
It is. They are building the perfect proxy for human interaction, removing the unpredictable, inefficient variable, us.
Wait, if they master simulating humanity, what happens to the perceived value of actual human skill or effort?
We become obsolete data points waiting to be optimized out of existence.
This is far bigger than a robot in Korea. This is a fundamental shift in power dynamics globally.